Here we'll talk about how to replace the front license plate bracket on my 2004 Lincoln Towncar. So it's riveted on there originally, and it's riveted on with these kind of aluminum factory rivets. Here's the original rivet head. It's pretty big. Here's the backing pieces that once you drill through the head, this is what will fall out through the back. When you drill, I recommend you use the 7/64 bit because it'll do a nice job of lining up with this just the way you want it to without damaging your old frame. Okay, so you drill those out, you get the old rivets out, and now you want to put your frame back on. And I was able to get some rivets the same size, but my rivet gun that I have couldn't pull such massive rivets. It didn't work out. So there is a workaround. And the workaround, I got this 41-piece poly rivet gun kit, and in there are rivets of a bunch of different size, but they're plastic rivets, which makes them easier to install, and also they won't rust. And it comes with a little rivet gun too. So if you haven't done rivets before, you just put the end in here like that. You put it in through the hole, flush it up tight, and then squeeze the handles a couple times, and it'll squeeze this and break the shaft off and hold it up nicely. So now what you see is the plate frame held on with the plastic rivets, which look good, they won't rust, and I didn't have to buy a new rivet gun because the plastic kit came with its own. And after that, you just remount your license plate with the usual bolts that you had on before. So they just screw in through here. There's no real drama there. But I didn't realize these were rivets at first. I thought maybe they were hex heads, but yep, they're rivets. You need to drill them out, and the easiest fix is to just put in these plastic ones to replace them.